First, listen to the conversation.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt.
Sure. What color would you like?
Blue, please.
What size are you?
Medium.
Here you go. This blue t-shirt is medium.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there.
It fits very well. How much is it?
It is $20.
Great. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Cash or card are both fine.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt in your bag. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
Second, learn the vocabulary. Look for. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Size. What size are you? Fitting room. The fitting room is over there. Try it on. Can I try it on?
How much is it? Pay by card. Can I pay by card? Cash. Cash or card are both fine. Receipt. Here is your receipt.
Hello. Can I help you? Sure. What color would you like? What size are you? Here you go. This blue t-shirt is medium. Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there. It is $20. Yes, you can. Cash or card are both fine. Thank you. Here is your receipt in your bag. Have a nice day.